our funded and focused feature, a business incubator gives women founders the structure, clarity, and financial infrastructure that many early-stage businesses struggle to build alone. In the first half of the program, participants become fully compliant, bank-ready, and financially organized, steps that dramatically reduce the risk of business failure. When founders register their companies properly, secure a business transaction number, meet licensing requirements, and implement bookkeeping systems, they move from informal to investable. This translates into stronger loan readiness, cleaner financial records, and the ability to compete for procurement, banking relationships, and early-stage capital. For sponsors, every dollar invested strengthens the economic stability of a business that is now legally recognized, financially trackable, and positioned for long-term revenue generation. In the final 6 weeks, the incubator starts producing outward-facing value. Founders build targeted funding lists, craft professional pitches, and create visibility and growth roadmaps.